why person like Reese, who is the founder of Lumina and co-founder at BaseBet, and this person is based out of Dubai, is messaging me to hire me for one of his project. And very recently he sent me this message March 2024, and I can show you that he is based out of Dubai and he has somewhere around 4650 followers. So this video is all about how as a freelancer you can get your first client. Guys, everyone says just post content then wait for people to send you a message, or you can just do DMs and then people will come out to you. No, in 2025 this strategy is no more working. You have to create credibility, you have to create authenticity about yourself, so that like people like Reese, in my case the people like Reese will send you a message to hire you for their projects. And you can do this while sitting at home on your bed, and you can attract clients from anywhere in the world. One thing that people are making mistake on internet is that they are sending messages to everyone and saying, hi, I provide SEO services, can you hire me, or I can do SEO for your website. Do you think you will get the answer yes? No, no one will gonna hire you if you're gonna do this way. This is a very lame way to attract or to send message to anyone. If you're a freelancer, you have to find some other ways to attract higher ticket clients, and I'm talking about businesses from USA, from UK, from Germany, from Switzerland, from Dubai. If you want to get clients from all of these countries, then watch the video till the very end, because I'm gonna tell you my secret strategies through which I get so many DMs in my profile, so that like people wants to hire me instead of I am DMing them. So the first thing, the all you have to do is like go to Google, guys. Google is a free killer machine for all the answers that you are looking for. Go to Google, and after that what you have to do, let's say I want to I provide SEO services, right? So I want people who need SEO services, but instead of gonna I'm gonna telling them that hi I can do SEO for them, I want to find out whether they need my SEO service or not, or whether they require the SEO services or not. So for that I'm gonna just gonna do a simple search for the business that I think I can target. For example, like I think let's go with packers and movers. So right now it is gonna tell me on the basis of my current location. So what I'm gonna do, just simply gonna click on more places, and now you can see all the businesses that are providing packers and movers services in my location. So I'm gonna pick a very random one. So just gonna ignore one with having a higher number of reviews, because they probably doing some kind of SEO. So let's just pick some random numbers, because I want to see how these peoples are doing on internet. So let's say how about this one? Avni Logistic Packers and Movers. They have 28 reviews, and they have 28 reviews out of 5 star. So they have got like all the 5-star reviews, which seems like they have bought some kind of reviews. That is why the reason why I'm telling is that like they are open 24 hours, guys. Packers and movers can't be open 24 hours. This is not a 24-hour service. Like you don't need 24-hour service, right? Like can you imagine you are sleeping and then some delivery boy comes in and like calls you at 2 a.m. and tell you, sir, we are standing at your door and like collect your package. That is not possible, right? The same way, that means that like they are doing something wrong, because they have 28 reviews and all of the reviews are positive. This indicates that like something is fishy. So now let's just open their website, and I'm quickly gonna do just one step to find out whether they need my SEO service or not. But before that, like we have to find out their like just scroll their website. You see their website is like pretty old. It doesn't have a very good UI UX. And this website is based out of India, so you see the graphics that they are using. Like, do you think like these kind of graphics, the graphics is basically portrays about whom you serve. And if you see these kind of graphics, I don't think that these are the Indian people. So this is not giving me a vibe of Indian origin, right? So you have to make sure that like you are using the right UI UX. So after looking at the website, I believe that like they probably need my SEO services. After that, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna copy their URL. Then I'm just gonna go on Google and type down this secret hack, guys. Type down site colon and then just paste down the URL. right? After that, just hit enter and boom, now it will tell you whether their SEO is properly working or not. So let's see, this is their first page. Omnilogistic door to door service are leading, and you see their meta title is not properly optimized. And we give commercial moving services for businesses space such as stores, office assumptions, shopping complexes, education institutes, and hospitals, home houses. And see, this meta description is also not properly optimized. If I scroll down, policies, quotation, so 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 4 BHK villa, head office address. I don't know, like, what is this? Like, why you are showing me office address in the meta title, like quotation? Reviews, I hired a service of this company for packaging and unpacking some of my old office furniture. I heard that the employees of this company are very careful. Like, who cares about the employees of the company? Like, I don't know why. Like, if I want to transfer my services from one place to another, do I care about the employees of the company, or do I care about like the delivery boys who are gonna come and collect my furniture, right? So again, this is not the good meta description. Then loading unloading, like they have used their Avni Logistics door to door service in almost every of their meta title, which is consuming a lot of space. So guys, this is not the right way to write the meta description. If you're an expert in SEO, then you probably know that this is not the right way of writing the meta title and meta description. We offer you safe and low cost relocation. We shift without any harm or damage. Our professional team is always ready to take control of your moving process. Although this is somewhere right, but still this can be improved, right? Contact us. We give commercial moving services for business such as stores. Like if I want to contact you, then do you think that I care about like what do you do? No, I want your contact details, right? So why are you giving me this? And this basically we offer you safe and low cost relocation. I think it is coming up in almost um, every other meta description. That means that they have not properly optimized their on page SEO. Now, I got to know that they probably need my service. They probably need SEO service. If not my service, then they probably need SEO service. Now the question is, there are so many marketers out there who might be targeting them. So how, as a freelancer, I can make sure that I get this client? If I'm just gonna send them a message that hi, I think your on-page SEO is not properly optimized and you need my service, then I'm like clearly gonna get the rejection. They're clearly gonna say no to my face. So what you should do, or what I can do right now? So the first thing that I have to do is like I have to create a detailed report about their on-page SEO, where they are doing something wrong. See, nowadays in 2025, don't charge for research, charge for execution. If I'm just gonna tell them like these are the pages that are not properly optimized and you need to improve your meta description and meta title, and I attach the screenshots that look at the screenshot of contact us page, look at like what you have written down in the house relocation page, right? So if I provide them the detailed report that these are the pages on which you need some attraction and you need to improve it, right? And if the person understands that like whatever I'm talking or whatever screenshot I've attached, that makes sense, right? After that, if he or she doesn't have a time, then definitely they're gonna hire me because they understand that like I have done my research part for their website instead of just saying random figures and numbers in the air, right? So what you have to do, go to Google, search in your niche, search the website, search the keywords, find out which website does not have properly optimized their SEO, create a detailed report. You can use Screaming Frog, guys. You can use Screaming Frog to create the meta description and meta title report. You can use like SEMrush tool to find out all the meta descriptions and other stuff. If you do not know how to use these tools, I have created a separate video, guys. Go and check it out in my channel and you will be able to understand like how to use Screaming Frog to find out all the loopholes of your website, how to use SEMrush as well to find out all the loopholes of your website. This is the first way to find out or to get your first client in 2025. Second way is, guys, which most of the people are ignoring. But see, when there's a demand, there's a supply, and you have to supply to that demand. So the killer way is go to Facebook and do this simple search part. Like let's say, uh, packers and movers. Now I want clients from USA, so I'm just gonna type packers and movers in USA. After that, I'm not gonna check out the post. Instead of that, I'm gonna check out some groups. So you click on the groups, and now some groups will come up. Packers and movers services in India, packers and movers in Mumbai. Packers and movers right now it is not coming up according to my search query. This happens sometimes because my location is India, and that is why Facebook is sending me this. But I think I can filter it on the basis of the city as well. Let's say anywhere. Yeah, right now it is still showing me on the basis of India. That's fine. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna join very random groups, right? For example, like this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now I'm just gonna open these groups which I have joined so far, and since these are the public group, that is why I've got joined immediately. My request got approved immediately. Now what I'm gonna see is like we are selling okay, so these are not the packers and movers groups. Okay, so now you see leading packers and movers providing logistics and transportation services for home relocation. I got their contact details and their company. That means that they are looking for some kind of advertisement. So now what I can do the same thing again. I just have to see their website. So if they have their website, I can do it. Since they does not have their website, guys, so now what I can do, I can call them up and I can tell them that I have a portfolio of this and this, and I can make your website and get you rank in the Ranchi itself, because they have a branch in Ranchi. So now I got the client who might be looking for the website services, right? So if there is no demand, you have to create the demand, right? Moving company Dubai. Now you see this is the company. Now I just need to like open this company again. Now this company is based out of Dubai. I'm gonna copy their URL again. The first thing is that check out their website, right? Their website seems good, but I think it is very content heavy, and I think it is their sales copy is not up to the mark. That is where they need definitely the improvement part. After that, what I'm gonna do is like the again a simple research. Go to Google and then type site colon and then paste down the website URL. Now you see they also have their website index, but is their website like rightly indexed? Let's see. No, author admin. I can see author admin, guys. So if I just click on it, I think their admin panel got started. Hello world. No, guys, welcome to WordPress. So that means that they have not optimized properly their website. So now you see, without spending a lot of time, I just got to know that like their website is not properly optimized and they might need my services. And I have got their contact details also. All I have to do is like I just have to send them a message, guys, with a screenshot that your website is not properly optimized on Google and you might be losing traffic. Safe moving and transport company. We are the best movers and packers in Dubai, having 10 plus years of experience in house shifting. We're the best movers and packers in Dubai. So their meta description is almost same for all the meta titles, which is like wrong. And if you are the expert, then you understand that like this is not the right way to do SEO, right? So this is how you can get your first client. Instead of sending DMs, cold DMs or cold emails to everyone out there, or maybe doing the cold calling, you will get the rejection. So what you have to do, find the loopholes, create a detailed report with the help of tools like Screaming Frog, SEMrush. Create a report, send them the presentations. Do not charge for research part, charge for the execution part, guys. If you can do a right research, you can deliver the right results as well. That is what you have to portray with your content part. And if you want to learn the complete SEO in detail, then I'm just a DM away. Just comment down under this video and I will be able to tell you the right method to do SEO for any website.